Alright guys, if you've seen my videos, then you've seen the first gen RAV4, but today we're trying something a little different. I'm going to be taking this monster for a drive and showing you guys what it's really like. You'll catch a lot of eyes driving this beast, but on the other hand, it'll allow you to get far away where no one can see you for a long time. This truck is equipped with all the compartments and storage space you could ask for. More storage on the back here. Huge spare 40-inch tire. We can pull this tire out of the way here. Now that we're up here, you can see the 2 solar panels, the max fan, air conditioning. Right here, we actually have a shower faucet and nozzles right there. And we'll get to the interior after the drive here. Get rolling. The overall weight of this rig is just over 13,000 pounds. It's actually equipped with a 7.3 liter gas engine known as the Godzilla. I personally think it gets around really nicely, especially with the 10-speed automatic transmission. Overall length is 22 feet and the overall height is 11.5 feet. So as we're going through this neighborhood, it's got pretty wide streets. But this rig is totally out of place. It should be out at the top of a mountain somewhere. I think if you wanted to daily drive a rig like this, your biggest problem would be people stopping you at the gas station to talk to you. So we're headed down this pretty small gravel road here. It's got the usual washboards, but just feels like we're driving on smooth pavement with these 40-inch tires. Very smooth ride over any type of terrain, and for such a monstrous rig, it's a lot of fun to drive around. Let me know if you could see yourself driving something like this down below. Well, so far it feels all right driving this, just like how I drive any other car. If you're comfortable driving a big truck, you'll be comfortable driving one of these in no time. Pretty much keep forgetting I'm driving this and feeling like I'm driving my RAV4. Why don't we shut her off and we'll walk around here to the interior. Open her up. So here we are now on the interior of the grid, built by Wilderness Vans here in Alberta, Canada. Folding stepladder right here to get up into the bed. Nice big bed up here, fan above you. You got nice big windows on either side. All of these are upper cabinets. You got a nice eating area right here. Your fridge and freezer. Actually have a shower basin right there. Got some doors back to a ton of storage. Nice little pantry right here. Even a nice little microwave to go along with your sink and induction cooktop. There's the pass through.